Crash course on Mexico, famous for its beaches, historical sites, and vibrant culture. Mexico, a vibrant tapestry of culture and beauty. Mexico is a country that captivates the hearts of visitors with its stunning beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture. From ancient ruins to bustling cities, Mexico offers a diverse range of attractions that appeal to travelers from around the world. Mexico's history dates back thousands of years, with civilizations such as the Mayans, Aztecs, and Olmecs leaving behind magnificent archaeological sites. One such example is Chichen Itza, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Located in the Yucatan Peninsula, Chichen Itza is a testament to the advanced architectural and astronomical knowledge of the ancient Mayan civilization. Teotihuacan is another must-visit archaeological site in Mexico. Known as the City of the Gods, it features impressive pyramids, such as the Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon. Climbing to the top of these structures allows visitors to soak in panoramic views of the ancient city and its surrounding landscape. Mexico is also famous for its colonial architecture, particularly in cities like Guanajuato and San Miguel de Allende. These charming towns showcase colorful facades, cobblestone streets, and historic buildings that transport visitors back in time. The stunning cathedrals, such as the Metropolitan Cathedral in Mexico City, are architectural marvels that exemplify the country's colonial heritage. When it comes to natural beauty, Mexico's beaches are renowned worldwide. From the turquoise waters of the Riviera Maya to the picturesque shores of Tulum, Mexico offers a plethora of coastal destinations. One of the most stunning beach areas is Playa del Carmen, where visitors can enjoy white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and a lively atmosphere. Mexico's cultural richness is evident in its traditional festivals and vibrant markets. The Day of the Dead is a unique celebration that honors deceased loved ones through colorful altars, parades, and offerings. The city of Oaxaca is particularly famous for its Day of the Dead festivities, where visitors can witness elaborate ceremonies and beautiful displays of artistry. Markets, such as the Mercado de la Merced in Mexico City, are a feast for the senses. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in the sights, sounds, and aromas of Mexican cuisine and traditional crafts. From street tacos to intricate handicrafts, the markets offer a glimpse into Mexico's culinary and artistic heritage. Mexico is also home to breathtaking natural wonders, such as the Copper Canyon and the Sumidero Canyon. The Copper Canyon, located in the Sierra Madre Occidental, is a series of 6 interconnected canyons that offer stunning views, hiking trails, and opportunities to interact with indigenous communities. The Sumidero Canyon, located in Chiapas, is a majestic gorge carved by the Grijalva River, with towering cliffs and abundant wildlife. For art enthusiasts, a visit to Mexico City's museums is a must. The Palacio de Bellas Artes showcases a wide range of artistic expressions, from murals by Diego Rivera to exhibitions featuring renowned Mexican and international artists. The Frida Kahlo Museum, located in the artist's former residence, offers a glimpse into the life and works of one of Mexico's most beloved painters. Mexico's underwater treasures are also a major draw for adventure seekers. The Great Maya Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world, is teeming with marine life and offers exceptional snorkeling and diving experiences. The islands of Cozumel and Isla Mujeres are popular destinations for underwater exploration, with crystal clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. Summarizing this writing, Mexico is a country that offers a myriad of attractions for global visitors. From ancient ruins to colonial towns, stunning beaches to vibrant festivals. Poem. In Mexico's embrace, a land of delight, where history dances with colors so bright. From ancient ruins that whisper the past, to lively markets where traditions hold fast. Chichen Itza stands tall, a marvel in stone, as Mayan secrets are unveiled and known. Teotihuacan's pyramids reach for the sky, a testament to a civilization's high. Colonial cities paint a picture so grand. Guanajuato's streets like an artist's hand. San Miguel de Allende, a charming display, where cobblestone paths lead travelers astray. The beaches of Mexico, a paradise found, with turquoise waves and white sandy ground. Playa del Carmen, where the sun sets ablaze, and Tulum's beauty leaves us in a daze. The Day of the Dead, a vibrant affair, as altars and marigolds fill the air. Oaxaca's streets come alive in delight, with colors and festivities shining so bright. In markets, flavors and crafts intertwine. Mercado de la Merced, a treasure divine. Tantalizing aromas and vibrant arrays. Mexico's culinary heritage on full display. Nature's wonders, both stunning and vast. Copper Canyon's beauty, an experience to last. Sumidero Canyon, a majestic delight, as the river carves through cliffs with its might. Art finds its home in Mexico City's halls. Palacio de Bellas Artes, where inspiration calls. Frida Kahlo's spirit, forever in bloom. A muse that transcends beyond any room. Beneath the waves, a hidden world thrives. The Great Maya Reef, where beauty derives. Cozumel and Isla Mujeres, a diver's dream, with vibrant corals and creatures that gleam. Mexico, a tapestry of culture and grace. A land that captivates with its vibrant embrace. From ancient wonders to modern-day art, its beauty and spirit forever leave a mark. Song. Verse 1. In the land of Mexico, where colors come alive. Ancient ruins and pyramids, a treasure to revive. From Chichen Itza's splendor to Teotihuacan's might. The echoes of history, a symphony taking flight. Chorus. Oh, Mexico, land of wonder and grace. From colonial towns to beaches embrace. The Day of the Dead, a vibrant celebration. In markets and art, a rich exploration. Verse 2. Guanajuato's charm, with streets winding around. San Miguel de Allende, where history is found. The beaches beckon with their turquoise hue. Playa del Carmen and Tulum, dreams come true. Chorus. Oh, Mexico, land of wonder and grace. From colonial towns to beaches embrace. The Day of the Dead, a vibrant celebration. In markets and art, a rich exploration. Bridge. Copper Canyon's beauty, a sight to behold. Sumidero Canyon's grandeur, stories untold. In Mexico City, the art comes alive. From Frida Kahlo's spirit to talent that thrives. Chorus. Oh, Mexico, land of wonder and grace. From colonial towns to beaches embrace. The Day of the Dead, a vibrant celebration. In markets and art, a rich exploration. Outro. Mexico, a symphony of culture and delight, where ancient history and modern art unite. In its embrace, we find joy and inspiration. Mexico, a treasure of endless fascination. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Mexico has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Mexico, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.